So just today, they got 31 purchases and 724 people have it in the cart, and it's selling this service for $21. So 21 times 31, that's $651 that they made just today from selling this digital product. Nano Banana Pro has just been released and it's taking over the internet. You can create very high quality and realistic images that are confusing people what's real and what's fake. Seriously, AI is getting too good. In this video, we're gonna go over a couple different examples that you can use Nano Banana Pro to make money selling these AI images on Etsy. And this is something that I've been doing for the past couple of years. Every month I release my monthly results so you can see how much I made in the last month. So let's just say I know a thing or two about selling AI images. So one of the type of digital product that I sell on Etsy is clip art. And clip art are those images of different elements, objects, animals, and things of the nature. I just type in clip art on Etsy and you can see a bunch of different things. And a lot of it is related to Christmas now because it's almost Christmas by the time I'm recording this. However, the hardest part of making clip art is creating these attractive listing images. So you can see like this listing right here, it's combining all the elements or a lot of elements from this clip art bundle and they look very attractive. Or same with this one, lots of different elements put together and the listing image is very attractive. And listing images are very important because that's what makes people click on your listing and hopefully buy your product. So you want to make sure that your listing image looks very, very good. And the thing with the clip art is that you usually sell these images in bundles of like 20, 50, etc. So you want to show off what type of elements people can get it when they purchase your bundle. And to access Nano Banana, you can use a couple different ways. One of it is by going to Google Lab, but I believe they give you limits on it. I think you get like 3 Nano Banana Pro images per day or something like that. I'm gonna use my own tool, Criterium AI, which already has Nano Banana included. So I'm just gonna go to the dashboard and to the AI in image generator. And I've selected the Nano Banana. Right here, I uploaded 10 images of Christmas trees that I created earlier for my clip art bundle. And in the prompt, I put combine all the images together and create a clip art bundle image for my Christmas tree collection. And check this out. Boom. It combined all the trees together. It even put text that says Christmas tree clip art collection. And this looks fantastic. And if I want to change the text, I can change it to whatever I want. In the prompt, I'm just going to make the text say Christmas tree clip art bundle of 20 PNGs. Make sure that you put the text you actually wanted to say in parentheses. That way the AI understands that this is what you actually wanted to put in. And let's see what we're gonna get. By the way, if you wanna use Criterium AI, we are running a Black Friday sale that ends on December 1st, 50% off all the plans. Just use the coupon code 50 off. And if you're watching this after the December 1st, we can give you 20% off. If you're using Criterium AI for the first time, just use the coupon code 20 off. Okay, this one is pretty good too. And you can see that it created the text Christmas tree clip art bundle of 20 PNGs exactly how I want it. So this is really cool because I can create these thumbnail images super easy, super fast, and in high quality. Another thing that you can do is you can offer ink drawing custom portraits, and custom listings are extremely popular on Etsy. So here's someone selling a digital portrait that you can put in this black and white style, and I'm sure they are using Nano Banana to do this. In fact, we're gonna use this example. So you can see that they combined this picture of this lady and the baby, and they created this. We're gonna do this together, but let's see how many sales they're getting a month. So just today, they got 31 purchases and 724 people have it in the cart, and it's selling this service for $21. So 21 times 31, that's $651 that they made just today from selling this digital product. All right, so let's actually see if we can do this with Nano Banana. So we're gonna take a screenshot of this lady and the baby, and we're gonna tell Nano Banana to create this in a black and white style, kind of like here. Okay, so I uploaded the pictures of the baby and the lady, and here's the prompt. I said, combine these 2 images in black and white style. The mom is holding the baby in her arms. Let's see what happens. Wow, this looks really good. It's a little bit different than original because this one is more watercolorish, but probably with some prompt engineering, we could figure out the prompt and get the idea how they did it. But man, this is really good. We could create a different service where we don't do this watercolor style, but more like a black and white style. And look at this, it's so good. We can also offer a service where we restored old images into modern photos. So here's someone offering a service like this. And I got 2 sales in the last 24 hours and 72 add to carts. It's already made $46 today. approximately. So let's say we're gonna take a screenshot of this fella right here, probably seen a lot in his lifetime, and just upload it to our Nano Banana Pro. Said restore this old photo into modern one, and check this out. Now he's a handsome young fella who probably fought in some war or whatever, but man, he looks good now. And that's the thing about Etsy, is that you can also act as a service person. So I showed you this example of restoring photos and combining photos together into a portrait. Etsy is a service platform, and actually the services and Etsy suppliers sell the best. And as someone who sells digital product, you can be a supplier and you can also offer a service. Another thing that you can do is you can break down elements of the picture into separate elements. And what I mean by that, so let's imagine you're selling clip art and you wanna kind of show your customers what is your clip art image contain of. So you can upload a clip art image. So let's see my history. I'm just gonna pick something from my history that I generated in the past. Let me see what I have. Okay, let's use this Christmas photo as an example. So I'm gonna click on use image, and I'm gonna say, break this image into separate elements. Wow, this is cool. Look at this. So this is the original photo right here, right? This Christmas tree with the presents and everything. And we separate all the objects into separate elements. So now the user can see what is this image actually built from? What are the images that were created? So it gives this feeling that like, oh, so you combine all of this together and created a tree with these elements. It's just like a cool thing that you can use for clip art bundles. Like here's a clip art bundle, right? And you can see that like they're showing all the elements of all the clip art they have in this bundle. And I feel like this is what you can use this for. So I would not use this image for like the main photo, but I could use this as an example of like, yeah, what is this built from? What I use to create this bundle. I think this is just a really cool way to show your customers that like, yeah, we use this to create this. Another cool thing that you can use Nano Banana is to create coloring books. So coloring books market has been popular on Etsy. You can see that there's a lot of popular now listings, which indicate that this is a very popular niche. And like here we have an example of one listing that had 20 add to carts. It's a bestseller. And this coloring books has examples of women living the cozy lifestyle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a screenshot of one of these coloring books. And we're gonna use this screenshot to teach AI to create something similar. So I'm gonna upload that screenshot to the reference photo. And I'm gonna use a feature called Get AI Prompt to get the prompt that will create something similar. And we're gonna create something in bulk, because if you wanna create a coloring book, we need pages. A book combines multiple pages. And I'm gonna show you how you can create a lot of pages really fast with Nano Banana Pro and Creatorium AI. Okay, so we got our first prompt for the first image. We're gonna use it, and we're gonna select Nano Banana Pro in a 2K. Now our first image is being generated, but I'm also gonna click on Get Variants. So we'll create 8 different variants with very similar vibe, but it's gonna different than the original prompt that we used. And then we're gonna create these 8 images in bulk. But let's see the first image first to get an idea if this is actually a good prompt. And wow, this is really good. I like this picture. It's a kid. It even has a bubble that you can put text in, which is really, really cute. Okay, in the meantime, we also generate 8 different prompts that you can reuse. We can modify them if we want to, but let's generate all of them so we can get 8 images at once. And if we count this one, this is actually the 9th. So we're gonna create 9 images really quick. They're gonna have slightly different vibe to it. Okay, so our images are being generated. We can track it right here. We're in image number 4 right now, but we got some of them ready. So this one is like a boy or girl, hard to say, but has a dinosaur and a sheep. It's a little bit different than the first one. This one, it looks definitely like a boy. It's also a little bit different. Here we got another one, even has a bowl of cereal. So we could create a coloring book based on cozy mornings or something like that, because a lot of images that we generate are related to the mornings. They all are very cute. And the quality on them is really good. You can even see the text right here, and it's a right text. It's not like imaginary letters that sometimes AI does. The text is actually real letters, and this looks really, really good. And here's our 8th image, and this took about 2-3 minutes to generate all of them. And our competitor was selling a 50-page coloring book, so maybe to create the whole coloring book, it will take an hour, maybe a little bit less than that. You might also delete some images and pick some over on others, but the whole process didn't take that much time. And once you post these listings, they're semi-passive because you list them and you wait for orders. That's it. You don't have to manage anything. You need to have inventory. You don't need to ship anything. That's the beauty of the digital products. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget, we're running a Black Friday till December 1st, 50% off on all the plans for the Creatorium AI, which contains the Nano Banana Pro and a bunch of different AI models that we added. But recently we also added Video Studio, where you can create Sora 2 images and remove watermark from Sora videos if you created them in Sora app. But there's also Etsy SEO generator, Etsy research app. You can join our community where we have weekly meetings. There's also photo editor. There's a lot of stuff. Everything is 50% off under one subscription. So check this out. But that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you next time. Bye bye, my friends.